Welcome to Being Financially Savvy in 2025. In today's world, AI isn't just about writing, text, or creating images. It's now actively involved in making trades, predicting market trends, and even outperforming human traders. In this video, we'll delve into how AI is revolutionizing stock trading and what it means for your hard-earned money. The influence of AI in the stock trading world is undeniable. With its ability to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns, AI is now capable of making split-second trading decisions that can have a significant impact on the market. In fact, AI-powered trading algorithms have proven to be highly effective in capitalizing on market inefficiencies and generating profits for investors. One of the most significant ways AI is changing stock trading is through its predictive capabilities. By analyzing historical data, market trends, and even social media sentiment, AI can forecast potential movements in stock prices with a high degree of accuracy. This means that investors can now rely on AI to provide them with valuable insights and make informed decisions about their investment portfolios. Furthermore, AI is also altering the landscape of stock trading by outperforming human traders. With its ability to process and analyze data at an unprecedented speed, AI-powered trading systems can execute trades with precision and efficiency, often surpassing the capabilities of human traders. This has led to a shift in the dynamics of the stock market, with AI playing an increasingly influential role in shaping trading outcomes. So, what does this mean for your money? Well, for starters, it means that there are new and innovative ways to manage and grow your investments. With AI-powered trading platforms and tools, investors now have access to advanced technologies that can help them make better informed decisions and potentially improve their investment outcomes. However, it's important to approach this new era of stock trading with caution. While AI can offer valuable insights and trading opportunities, it's essential to remember that the stock market is inherently unpredictable, and there are always inherent risks involved. It's crucial for investors to educate themselves about the capabilities and limitations of AI in stock trading, and to make well-informed decisions based on their own financial goals and risk tolerance. In conclusion, AI is fundamentally changing the landscape of stock trading in 2025. Its predictive capabilities, ability to outperform human traders, and innovative tools are reshaping the way we approach investing and managing our money. As we navigate this new frontier, it's important to stay informed, stay cautious, and make the most of the opportunities that AI-powered stock trading has to offer. The evolution of trading has seen significant advancements over the years, from traditional human brokers to the rise of algorithmic trading and the rapid pace of high-frequency trading. The industry has continuously evolved and adapted to new technologies. But in 2025, AI has raised the bar and taken stock trading to the next level. Artificial intelligence is now at the heart of trading strategies, utilizing powerful predictive models to analyze millions of data points in real time. This allows for more accurate and timely decision-making, giving traders an edge in today's fast-paced market environment. One key aspect where AI shines is in sentiment analysis. By scanning social media platforms like Twitter, online forums like Reddit, and news sources in real time, AI can gauge market sentiment and predict potential price movements based on public opinions and news trends. This real-time insight gives traders a valuable tool to make informed decisions quickly and effectively. Additionally, AI has revolutionized the way portfolios are managed through the use of robo-advisors. These AI-powered systems can tailor portfolios to individual investors' needs and preferences, taking into account their risk tolerance, investment goals, and market conditions. This personalized approach ensures that investors have a diversified and optimized portfolio that maximizes their returns while minimizing risk. In conclusion, AI in stock trading today has fundamentally transformed the way we approach and execute trades. With AI-powered predictive models, sentiment analysis, and robo-advisors, traders and investors now have access to powerful tools that give them a competitive edge in the market. The evolution of trading continues, driven by the advancements and capabilities of artificial intelligence. In the fast-paced world of investing, big players such as hedge funds like Renaissance Tech, Citadel, and BlackRock have been utilizing AI technology to gain a competitive edge in the market. These sophisticated algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, predict market trends, and execute trades at lightning speed, allowing these firms to outperform traditional investment strategies. Even retail platforms like Robinhood and Wealthfront have integrated AI assistants to help everyday investors make smarter decisions. These AI tools provide real-time market insights, personalized investment recommendations, and automated portfolio management, leveling the playing field for retail investors. Furthermore, new startups are emerging in the fintech space, building AI-driven trading bots that cater to individual investors. These bots can analyze market data, identify profitable opportunities, and execute trades automatically, freeing up time for investors to focus on other aspects of their lives. For retail investors, the opportunities presented by AI tools are immense. By leveraging platforms like TradingView AI, ChatGPT plugins, and custom bots, investors can make faster, more informed decisions based on data-driven insights. This technology enables investors to remove emotions from their decision-making process, reducing the risk of making impulsive, irrational trades. The benefits of utilizing AI tools in investing are undeniable. With speed and accuracy, investors can stay ahead of market trends and capitalize on profitable opportunities. By relying on data-driven analysis, investors can make more informed decisions, minimizing the impact of emotions on their investment strategy. In conclusion, AI technology has revolutionized the way investors approach the market, offering new opportunities and benefits for retail investors. By embracing AI tools, everyday investors can level the playing field with big players and build a more successful investment portfolio. As we delve into the world of stock trading in 2025, one cannot ignore the risks and challenges that come with the increasing reliance on artificial intelligence, AI. While AI has revolutionized the way we approach trading, it has also brought about its fair share of concerns. One major risk of over-reliance on AI is the potential for flash crashes and manipulation. AI algorithms can execute trades at incredible speeds, which can sometimes result in erratic market movements or manipulative behaviors by sophisticated actors. This can shake investor confidence and create volatility in the market, leading to losses for those unprepared for such events. Furthermore, with the rise of AI in trading, regulatory oversight becomes crucial. Entities such as the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, play a vital role in ensuring fair and transparent markets. Global coordination on regulating AI trading practices is also essential to prevent any loopholes that could be exploited for nefarious purposes. In conclusion, AI isn't just the future of stock trading. It's already here in 2025. The question that remains is, are you ready to adapt to this new paradigm? Or will you be left behind in the ever-evolving landscape of trading? Take the first step towards embracing AI in your trading journey by subscribing to our channel for the next video on AI investing tools you can try today. Stay informed. Stay ahead and explore the possibilities that AI brings to the world of stock trading. Don't let the risks and challenges deter you from leveraging the power of AI in your investment strategy. Subscribe now and unlock the potential of AI in your trading endeavors.